Hello everyone, welcome to Dart tutorial. In this video, you will learn about arrow function in Dart. Let me share my screen and let's see practical demo. Okay, let's create a new file that is arrow.dart. Okay. Let's create a program that adds two number without using arrow function. Okay. For that, I am going to create a function void, or I will say integer add, and I will pass two values, that is num1 and num2, and I will say integer sum is equal to num1 plus num2, and then I will return the sum. Okay, let's see. Here is one problem. Okay, I need to write here integer also. Okay, this is the function that takes two parameter and which return integer value. Okay, let's create a main method void main, and inside main method let's call this function. I will add two number, that is num1 is 50 and num2 is 80. Okay, I will say 80, and let's create another variable integer all sum is equal to add 50 comma 80. Then I will print the sum is $all sum. Okay. Now let me run the program. Dart, our file name is arrow.dart. Okay, here you can see the sum is 130. This is without using arrow function. Let's use arrow function. Okay, here you can see Dart has a special syntax for the function body, which is only one line. Okay, if you have only one line function body, let's make it one line. Okay, I will say return not sum, I will say return num1 plus num2. Okay, this is one line. Okay, this is not an arrow function, but this gives result in one line. Okay, here you can see. Okay, now here you can see the arrow function is represented by equal to and is greater than. You need to write equal to as well as is greater than at the same place. Okay, it is the shorthand syntax for any function that has only one expression. Okay, let's do it. You need to remove all of the stuff from here. Just write this equal to and greater than sign, and then just return the value. I will say num1 plus num2. This is it. Okay, if I run this program again, here you can see the same result, but this is one liner statement. This is very easy, and you can find more example on this Dart tutorial. Don't forget to look at this website, and thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.